How to exchange items on SHEIN. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to exchange items on SHEIN quickly and safely. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the SHEIN app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, what you can do is just tap on the Me button, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here in this section, what you can do is you can just tap on My Orders, or there you can simply tap on the Unpaid section, and there you can simply find the item that you want to exchange, and there you can just tap on Order Details. And on the next section, you can simply tap Return/Exchange button, and there you can simply select Exchange instead of Return, and there you can choose the size, color, or variant that you want to exchange for. And make sure to read the exchange policy so your request is accepted. And after selecting the new item, you can just tap Submit, and after that you will receive instruction on how to send the original item back to SHEIN. So there you can just pack the item securely and follow the written shipping instruction provided, and once SHEIN receives the original item, they will ship you the exchange item, and that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.